Morning, friends. It is drizzling since night, but I have to go outside to collect my garments from ironing. While way back, I have found these pandals are under construction as the Durga Puja festival is drawing near. Just see how in Calcutta the vendors supply breads and biscuits to the street tea stalls, and here the sugarcane juice maker, and now the government has deputed this man to clean the streets. This man is supplying breads to shops nearby in cycle. This is a rainy morning. After coming back home from the refrigerator, I collected few eggs and vegetables to prepare this for our lunch. Now I am going to have a shower. This is my washroom. This is a small, compact washroom. After taking the bath, I have gone to my meditation room where the idols of our father Loknath Baba is installed. I meditate for an hour or so. After that, I have to drop my son and daughter-in-law to their respective offices, which is very near. After dropping, I purchased some puris from the street shop to have a breakfast in our home. As myself and my wife, only two left. After the son and his wife left for office. While going back to meet some friends, I found the barricades are going on as the Puja festival is drawing near. I met my friends and spent some quality time with them. All of them are great in their respective fields when they were working. Suddenly torrential rain, so I stuck up. Just see the streets of Calcutta in rain. Like any other cities in the world, the traffic is moving very slow for the rain. Just watch, it is raining profusely. While coming back, I found the idols of Ma Durga covered in this sheet to protect her from rain. Now it is time to have a piece of dragon fruit.